Welcome back to the channel. In today's review, we're looking at the Mershgaya Compressed Air Duster, a powerful and eco-friendly alternative to canned air. If you're tired of weak, disposable air dusters, this might be the perfect upgrade for you. Let's check out its features and see how well it performs. The Mershgaya Air Duster is equipped with a 300,000 RPM motor, delivering an impressive 200 G wind pressure and a peak speed of 120 meters per second. This means it can easily remove dust and debris from keyboards, PCs, and other delicate electronics. Plus, it features a 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery with USB Type-C charging, making it reusable and cost-effective. This tool isn't just for electronics. It's a multi-use powerhouse that works as a leaf blower, car detailing tool, snow blower, and even an air pump for inflatables. Whether you need to clean blinds, car interiors, or pet hair, this duster has you covered. A major upgrade is the new sliding mode functional design. Unlike traditional 3-speed models, this one offers both button mode and sliding mode for easy airflow adjustment. The compact size, just 1.35 inches thick and 5.9 inches long, makes it lightweight and portable, fitting right in your pocket. Overall, the Mershgaya Compressed Air Duster is a smart investment for those seeking a powerful and reusable cleaning tool. If you want to get yours, check out the link in the description. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more great tech reviews. See you in the next video.